That was all of the problems for today. So what was going on here? So we're given a tree, and we want to find the path, all the paths to the leaves which are marked with this at symbol. And we're told that one of the paths is going to have a different length than all the other ones. And then we want to print out that path. So, okay. So first grab the lines of data, figure out the edges for each node. It's just parsing the input, and then just enumerate all the paths in the tree. So if we're at a leaf, then we have a single path, which is just like that leaf, and otherwise we can, go through all our children, find the paths from the children to the fruits, and then that gives us a path, starting at ourselves and then going to the child, following the child path to the fruit. So we get all the paths, we sort them by length, or we group them by length, and then we figure out which path has unique length and print that out. So that was part one. Part two is the same thing, except they changed the input, or which is supposed to output slightly to just the first character of each the result, but otherwise the code is exactly the same. The input's bigger, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, because I did a fairly efficient algorithm. And then part three, it's not clear what's different, but I think that there are uh, cycles in the graph or something. So we need to, yeah, I see. So I don't know if this was correct, but what I did is I just ignored them. Uh, Ignored bugs and ants, and that worked out okay. And otherwise, it's the same again. So just adding this, because like in the presence of cycles, the paths are not unique. I think sort of the flavor text here suggests that we should not care about this, that these are like sort of irrelevant notes, so that's my justification for ignoring them. So anyway, that is it for day 6 of this Everybody Codes thing, which seems cool.